If you ever parked your bike on gravel, hot tarmac or grass, then you know the anxiety of a slowly sinking side stand. That's where the R&G Kickstand Shoe comes in, a simple, effective upgrade that adds stability and peace of mind wherever you may park. You might be wondering, what exactly is a kickstand shoe? Well, it's an add-on that clamps on around your side stand's foot to increase its surface area, helping it distribute your bike weight and preventing it from sinking into soft ground. It's a small investment that can save you from a costly drop. In the box, you get the kickstand shoe itself, made from a CNC machined aluminium base plate with a durable anodized finish. That means it's lightweight, corrosion resistant and built to last. There's also a clamp plate made with stainless steel, laser etched with R&G logo. You also get 3 countersunk bolts to hold it all together. You'll also find a foam strip, which is handy if your side stand is worn. It helps create a tighter, more secure fit on older bikes. Plus, a couple of R&G stickers, who doesn't love free stickers? And finally, fitting instructions with a handy QR code on the back. To install it all you need is a 3mm Allen key, and that's it. Let's have a quick look at the kickstand shoe when it's fully assembled. You can already see the extra depth and surface it will add once fitted into your side stand. Now let's go and see how the kickstand shoe is installed onto your side stand. First, start by cleaning the bottom of your side stand to remove any dirt or debris. Next, loosen the 3 countersunk bolts. It's just enough to take them off the clamp plate. And now place the base plate underneath the foot. Align the clamp plate on top and screw in the bolts. Tighten each of the bolts evenly using your 3mm Allen key, and that's it. Quick, simple and solid. It might be a small part, but it makes a big difference. The R&G Kickstand Shoe gives you the confidence to park anywhere, knowing your bike will stay exactly where you left it. You can check your bike's compatibility on our website at www.rg-racing.com.